Hi guys! Let's download the Akwaaba app using the referral invite link. After receiving a referral invite link from a friend to join the Akwaaba app, tap on the link. The link will direct you to the official download page for the Akwaaba app. Once you're on the download page, tap on the Get It on Google Play or Download on the App Store button, whichever one that suits your phone type. I will select Get It on Google Play because I use an Android phone. This takes me to the Google Play Store interface where I can download the app. To begin the installation, ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth download process. Here, tap on the Install button to download the Akwaaba app and wait for the app to be downloaded. Once the app has been downloaded and installed, open it and follow the instructions to set up your account. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded the Akwaaba app using the referral invite link.